Herbalism 101. Do you know that Egyptian schools of herbalists have existed since 3000 BC? And the first book on herbalism came out in 77 AD from the Greeks? This means the relation of human and herbs is as much older as the relation between diseases and human is. Well, you might have heard about the benefits of herbs from your grandma, but have you ever thought about how they carry such potential to be used for therapeutic and medicinal purposes? Herbalism is an incredible practice that's been part of human life for ages. We've always had this close bond with plants and have been using them for their medicinal and nutritional goodness to keep ourselves healthy. Nowadays, we know of about 30,000 medicinal plants and a whopping 80,000 edible ones. And we keep discovering around 2,000 new plants each year. That just goes to show the vast range of botanical resources available to us. The core principle of herbalism is understanding that our well-being is deeply connected to the natural world. Herbalists believe in taking a holistic approach to health. It's not just about treating individual symptoms, but looking at the whole picture, considering the entire organism and its environment. That's what sets herbalism apart from conventional medicine, as it urges us to delve into the root causes of health issues. When it comes to herbal remedies, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Herbalism is all about understanding the unique needs of each person. Sure, we have common forms of treatment like teas, tinctures, capsules, and powders, but the real magic lies in extracting and concentrating the beneficial parts of plants, known as phytochemicals, to make the most of their healing powers. One group of herbs that's gotten a lot of attention lately is adaptogens. They're like superheroes that help our bodies cope with stress and maintain balance. Adaptogens have so many benefits, from supporting our immune system to reducing fatigue and making us more resilient. They're fantastic because they help us recover from stress and build resilience over time. But remember, they don't make us invincible to stress, just more balanced and better at handling it. Some famous adaptogens are ashwagandha, different types of ginseng, rhodiola, reishi, and even holy basil and shilajit. Now let's talk about astringents. These herbs are like toners for our skin and body. They tighten things up and maintain moisture balance. For example, you probably know about witch hazel, which is a popular facial toner. Rose petals, yarrow, and raspberry leaf are also great examples of astringents that can be used topically or internally, like in tea. Next up, we have aromatic plants, which are pretty magical in their own way. They do a lot of good for our digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. You'll find them in beginner medicine cabinets or in various tea blends. Think of the mints, lavender, chamomile, holy basil, or tulsi, and others with that lovely relaxing effect. Ah, here's one of my favorites, herbal bitters. These are fantastic for digestive support before meals. Taking a little bit of bitters 10 minutes before a meal can really help you digest and absorb your food better. Examples include arugula, citrus peels, gentian, and artichoke. Wormwood is also a super bitter herb, but a little goes a long way. Last but not least, we have nervines, and they're close to my heart too. These herbs work quickly and love our nervous system. Unlike adaptogens, they don't require long-term use to be effective. They're like fast-acting friends when it comes to supporting our nervous system. So if you're looking for something to calm your nerves and ease stress quickly, nervines are the way to go. Absolutely. When you're dealing with people who need quick relief, like someone wanting to sleep better tonight or feeling anxious and stressed right now, that's where nervines come to the rescue. Nervines are all about loving our nervous system and working their magic a bit faster. So, If you're looking for some instant support, think about herbs like lavender, chamomile, valerian, catnip, California poppy, lemon balm, and oat. They can be daytime companions or more sedative for nighttime use, providing deep relaxation and calming effects. Here's the cool thing about nervines. They can be multitaskers. Some of them offer digestive benefits too, like chamomile being both a fantastic nervine and a carminative for soothing your tummy. See, this is the beauty of herbalism. One remedy often helps with several things. And don't worry if it feels like a lot of information to take in. Start by focusing on the cause of your symptoms. Or if you're just curious, pick a category of herbs you'd like to explore. Find one or a blend that excites you, and then make it a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key. You can start with 1 or 2 herbs and see how they work for you. Sometimes, one herb might be all you need. Remember, when trying new things or herbs, it's always a good idea to take it slow. But I'm sure you'll find herbal remedies to be a fantastic addition to your well-being journey. They can provide natural and effective support for various aspects of our health. You know, herbalism sometimes gets this myth that it's just some ancient, outdated practice with no scientific basis. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Sure, herbalism has deep historical roots, but it's also evolving with modern research and evidence. Many studies are backing up the effectiveness of various herbs, and even pharmaceutical companies often draw inspiration from plant compounds to create medicines. So, herbalism isn't just some old tale. It's a fascinating blend of traditional wisdom and cutting-edge science, providing us with natural solutions to support our well-being. Another common myth is that herbal remedies are weak or don't work as well as conventional medicine. But let me tell you, herbs can be real powerhouses. They might not give you an instant fix like popping a pill, but they work more holistically and gently. Herbal remedies aim to address the root causes of issues, supporting our body's natural healing abilities. Plus, they often come with fewer side effects than some synthetic drugs. So don't underestimate the potency of these amazing plants. They've been supporting humans for generations, and they continue to offer remarkable benefits today. So, whether you're a seasoned herbal enthusiast or just starting to dip your toes into this herbal world, embrace the magic of plants and discover the gentle, yet profound benefits they can bring to your health. Let's stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of herbalism. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more harmonious journey with herbs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.